know what is Tenera?
Yes, I know what is Tenera. Tenera is the combination of Dura and Piscifera.
Do you know what is Tenera?
Tenera is a disease. Huh? Bukan. Hotel.
Tenera is a type of oil palm species in Malaysia as known as Elais guinensis. It is a crossbreed from Dura and Piscifera parents. Malaysia is known as second world largest producer and exporter after Indonesia. Oil palm is one of the product account for half of the country's GDP. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Amal Fatuna binti Syed Idris. I am final year student of Bachelor of Agricultural Science. I'm making this video for subject AGR 4507, which is crop production of oil palm plantation, entitled Sustainability of Oil Palm Production in Malaysia. What is sustainable? Sustainable is meant by be able to maintain at a certain rate or level. In this context, sustainable brings the meaning of farming in sustainable way, which intended to protect the environment, enhance the natural earth resources, and also maintain and improve the soil fertility. Okay, let's see the opinion from our interviewee. What do you think about sustainable agriculture in oil palm in Malaysia?
For starting, it's good, but time by time it has to be improved. And for me, in this time, is maybe not quite efficient enough.
For me, I think in Malaysia, sustainable agriculture practices is being practiced by many company, many smallholders, and it is good for a better environment because our environment is in a critical situation.
Most of the oil palm in Malaysia have been done by deforestation.
Here are some little bit information about sustainable oil palm production in Malaysia. As all that we have known, oil palm has been accused to be the main reason of deforestation that destroy most habitat for flora and fauna. Smear campaign is one of the examples that been run by the European Union to change the perspective of consumer about oil palm. They aim to stop the use of the crop by boycotting them that cause deforestation and also the destruction of orang-utan's habitat. Based on the recent news, Sabah government has an initiative to implement the JCSPO to ensure the palm oil sector as economic driver while also working towards sustainable ways. Inactivity through wildlife corridor can enhance wider forest habitat. Is the key to the orang-utans and other animals habitat as their survival in the plantation. Other than that, organic farming practices should be done in planting the oil palm. One of the organic farming practices is integrated farming, which applies various agriculture farming such as livestock farming and also crop farming in a single farm. Usually, farmer will integrate the oil palm plantation with the cover crop. For example, Mucuna bractata, which is leguminous plant that can fix the nitrogen in the soil. For sustainable practices, it can reduce the application of herbicide in the plantation that can harm the soil and environment in the future if it is applied excessively. So, for the conclusion, Malaysia government is trying so hard to improve the sustainable agriculture practices, especially in oil palm plantation, through Malaysia Sustainable Palm Oil MSPO certification scheme, which help in going positive impact to the various aspects such as human and environment. That's all from me. Thank you.